Jerry is preaching at the Evangelistic Center in Rangoon on Sunday. This church at our Evangelistic Center was started from only 15 people 4 years ago. Now the members increased to 200 people. We also need seat for the church. We do not have any seat or chair. Please pray for us. The worshiping room no longer accommodates all those church members, so some of them have to sit outside of the room. So we really need to expand the room for this church attendance. We need at least $10,000 to expand the worship room. Would you please prayerfully consider to help us for this project? Thank you. After Sunday school, Rosalind gave some cookies to those kids, also riding pad. Today, we are going to have baptism service. There are 8 persons who are about to be baptized. So it is such a joy and such a thrilling to see so many people keep coming to Christ and being baptized one after another. Baptism is taking place almost every Sunday at this the event. This is a direct result of your financial support and your prayers. I would like to ask you to continue to pray for the work here in Rangoon. The evangelists are working around the clock to reach out to the Buddhist Burmese people. And as a result, we have baptism almost every week, every Sunday. A senior pastor, Makumgang Joseph, and are standing near the baptistry in order to greet them, to greet each one of them as they come out of baptism. This is a blind man. Even a blind man is being brought to Christ. It's such a joy to see one by one being baptized in the name of Christ. My son Robert is a professional photographer who had working 7 years for Life Touch Portrait Company in California. Is taking some picture for me. The last person to be baptized is a blind lady, the wife of a blind man who had just been baptized a moment ago. These are 8 persons who have just baptized. They are posting for a picture.
One, two, three.
At the end, I called all evangelists and Sunday school teachers and give them encouragement to continue to evangelize the people around here in this area, no matter what happens in this country. They have been strengthened and they are really have zeal to continue to go on. Please do pray for these evangelists and Sunday school teachers. Thank you very much. God bless you.